Hello, you are highly welcome to Jab Media channel here. We will talk about best drones in 2024. Kindly make sure you watch the video to the end and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. With so many affordable drones available, deciding which one to buy or knowing which one is best for shooting travel videos can be a tough decision. To help, we have put together a list of the best drones for travel with recommendations and options for all budgets. These are some of the most popular drones on the market right now with positive reviews. Curating, lurking in the world of technology, and electrifying evolution is underway. The very skies are becoming the canvas for the most cutting-edge advancements in aerial photography, surveillance, and more. In this gripping exploration, we unveil the finest drones pushing boundaries and setting a new standard in innovation, DJI Maverick 3 Pro. In the world of drones, the DJI Maverick 3 Pro shines as an exceptional choice for both enthusiasts and professionals. It's defined by its remarkable 5.1K Hasselblad triple camera system, capturing stunning 1K videos at up to 50 tips and impressive 48 megapixel still images. The drone's 3-axis gimbal ensures precise control, while its diverse camera lineup offers wide-angle hybrid zoom telephoto and medium telephoto options. It boasts 1 terabyte of internal storage for seamless content capture. With advanced sensors, GPS, and an auto-return feature, it excels in obstacle avoidance and safety. When paired with DJI goggles sold separately, the immersive first-person view elevates your flight experience, offering a generous 43-minute flight time. The DJI Maverick 3 Pro redefines aerial photography and videography. Altel Evomax 4 stands as a game changer in the commercial drone arena. Packed with advanced features, this drone delivers impeccable performance. Its autonomous engine incorporates obstacle avoidance and precision in low light and rain facilitated by millimeter wave radar technology. The drone tracks objects using its thermal payload and boasts a long flight time, making it reliable and portable. The drone's mesh system ensures stable communication, even in challenging conditions. It resists winds up to 27 MMP, features 720-degree obstacle avoidance, and provides navigation in GPS-denied environments. The Skylink 3.0 system facilitates seamless communication and forward integration, enhancing its capabilities further. With a 50 megapixel wide camera and 48 megapixel zoom camera offering 8K ANTS optical zoom, this drone captures detailed imagery, making it ideal for commercial applications. Exo Cinemaster 2 meet the Exo Cinemaster 2, a drone catered to video enthusiasts. While its still image capabilities are modest, content creators will find joy in its 4K video shooting capabilities, thanks to a Sony sensor. Designed for novice pilots, it offers features like Follow Me and Circle Me for creative shooting. The package includes the drone's smart controller, travel case, spare propellers, and charging cords. What sets it apart is the inclusion of 3 batteries extending your flight time. For capturing high-quality videos effortlessly, this drone is a reliable choice. Skydio 2 Plus. Skydio Plus is the ultimate filmmaker's companion, offering autonomous subject tracking and 360-degree obstacle avoidance. With its 4K 60 HDR content capture capability, it ensures breathtaking footage. This drone operates on multiple frequencies, ensuring stable connections and a maximum flight speed of 36 MPa. Its mechanical stabilization and 360-degree coverage provide creative control, enabling filmmakers to craft compelling narratives. The Skydio 2, a dynamic range of 13.5 stops in 4K color CMO sensor guarantee impressive low light performance. With up to 27 minutes of flight time and a variety of resolutions and frame rates, it caters to diverse filming needs. Control is seamless through the Skydio app, offering an intuitive interface. Elevate your filmmaking experience with the Skydio 2 drone. DJI Avatar ProView Combo. The GZS and the Avatar ProView Combo drone offers a captivating drone experience with a range of innovative features. Through the inclusion of DJI goggles, too, users can enjoy an immersive first-person view as the drone glides through the skies. It excels at capturing 48 megapixel still images and up to 4K video at 60 fps, featuring a wide 1055-degree field of view. Guided by the intuitive DJI motion controller, the quadcopter design ensures ease of navigation using hand, thumb, and wrist motions. Safety measures like propeller guard, emergency brake button, and downward sensors enhance flight security. Compact and lightweight with built-in GPS, This drone caters to casual enthusiasts looking for an exhilarating aerial adventure. Exoscout. Widening the horizons of drone enthusiasts, the Exoscout stands as a beacon in the toy drone domain. With an unexpected array of features considering its size and price, it emerges as the go-to choice for beginners, offering 3 flight speeds, auto takeoffs, landings, and altitude hold. It simplifies the flying experience. Equipped with a 1080p camera and 6 megapixel still image capabilities, it facilitates creative aerial photography. Control the camera angle remotely using your smartphone and explore the 10x digital zoom feature. While its flight range is limited to 315 feet and battery lifespan is 15 minutes, its user-friendly design and affordability make it an excellent choice for novice pilots. DJI Inspire 3. When it comes to aerial cinematography and photography, the DJI Inspire 3 reigns supreme. Priced at a premium, this drone offers unparalleled features. Boarding a full-frame 875p camera, it captures footage with 14 plus stops of high dynamic range, ensuring exceptional clarity even in complex lighting. Its DL mount lens selection and lightweight carbon fiber housing guarantee high maneuverability. What sets the DJI Inspire 3 apart is its dual control system. 2 controllers can operate the drone independently, providing flexibility and precision. With a top speed of 94 km/h and a service ceiling of 3,800 to 7,000 meters, it effortlessly navigates diverse terrains. Equipped with real-time kinematic positioning, it ensures accurate hovering and positioning. The drone's obstacle detection capability spanning front, backside, and bottom sensors enhances safety. Things to consider before buying a drone. What is your budget? Drone prices range dramatically. What will you be using it for? Like, do you really need the top range model? What are reviews like? One of the best ways to see what other travelers say. Check specifications like size and weight. Different countries around the world have different criteria for how and where you can fly drones, and to avoid any issues, check before using your drone abroad. Make sure you read the user manual and practice in open spaces. Drones can be difficult to get to grips with, especially for the first time. Join social media pages to connect, get tips, and share your videos with the other travelers. Have you got any experience of using any of the drones listed above, or do you have any recommendations for one we have missed off our list? Let us know in the comments section below. Which choice are you making? Please express your ideas in the space provided below the comments section. I'm grateful for your time. If you found this video to be useful in any way, please like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content. Whoever arrived at the appointed time. With the new video releases, I'd like to meet with you. Thanks for watching the video.